Okay, so this video is going to focus on number sense and building it. We are going to try to be multiplying bigger numbers without a calculator. And by bigger, I just mean kind of like two-digit numbers like 23 times 19. And again, I'm going to do that without using a calculator. And I'm going to kind of do a method that we've done in the previous videos. We're just using our number sense, none of the older algorithms, nothing like that. Okay. So if I have this, I think the way to kind of think about it, if you think, well, if I know what is 10 times, I don't know, 9. Multiplying by 10s are kind of easy. You know, we do 9 times 1 and you add 0 to it. Awesome. Okay. And I think it kind of makes sense. You have 9 groups of 10, so you have 90. So if I give you like 20 times 8, well, I have 20, or I have 8 groups of 20 is one way to think about it. Or I could do, well, 8 times 2 is 16, and then I add the 1 0. So yeah, multiplying by 10s, you learned it in the past. We're kind of really banking that you're good to go with those. If not, just reach out and I can help you out there. Okay, so I'm going to come here, and my goal is I might not know 23 times 19, but I'm going to try to break these numbers into 10s, because then it's easier to multiply like I did on the right. So instead of 23, I'm going to break 23 as 20 plus 3. Okay. We agree that 20 plus 3 is 23, and my 10 there is the 20. Well, then I think for 19, I could write it two ways. I could write it 10 plus 9, because that is 19, or I could go up to 20 and subtract 1. Either way is going to work. Okay. So again, 20 minus 1 is 19, 20 plus 3 is 23. Okay, now when I'm here, I can double distribute. Well, 20 times 20, 2 times 2 is 4 with 2 zeros, so that's 400. 20 times negative 1 is negative 20. 3 times 20 is 60. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Okay, now I can just combine everything together. Negative 20 plus 60, well, that's 40 minus 3. And then 400 plus 40, oh, that's 440 minus 3, 437. So 23 times 19 is 437. Okay, let's try another one. Let's do like 17 times, let's go with 9. Let's go with 19. Let's do that one. Okay. Well, you could break 17 up as, you can either do, I'll do this route. I'll do 10 plus 7 this time. And then 19 could be 10 plus 9. The awesome thing about this method, there really is no right way to do it. I mean, as long as you're mathematically sound, you could do this, 20 minus 3 times 20 minus 1. I'll kind of do both of them for this example. We're going to see they turn out to be the same thing, which is awesome. Okay, 10 times 10 is 100. 90, 70, plus 63. Real quick comment, if you did not know what 7 times 9 is, that is okay. Come off to the side, 7 times 9, and instead of 9, let's do 7 times 10 minus 1. 70 minus 7, 63. Again, the beautiful thing about this, you don't have to be quick, you're just making sure that you're following your number sense, like you're reasoning through it. So don't be randomly guessing, whatever it is. You don't have to memorize all that stuff. Just use distribution. Okay, let's see. I think this one, let's do 190 plus 70 plus 63. I'm going to take 10 away, so I have 200 plus 60 plus 63. 60 plus 60, or let's do 260 plus 63. Let's do that. Bring 40 to bring it up to 300, plus 23, 323. Now let's see if the other way would have worked. 20 times 20 is 400, minus 20, minus 60, plus 3. Let's see, this comes out to be minus 80, plus 3, 400. That's 320, plus 3, 323. So yeah, you see, both ways give you the same answer. Okay, so it doesn't matter which one you do. I'd encourage you to try to be comfortable with both plus and minus. Okay, I'll have you do one on your own. Pause the video and then come back and see how you did. Let's see. Let's do 29 times, let's go with 18. So try this one on your own. Come back and see how you did. Okay, welcome back. Okay, 29, I'm going to write it as 30 minus 1. And 18, I'll do as 20 minus 1. Again, could have done 20 plus 9 times 10 plus 8. 20 plus 9 times, oops, geez. Maybe I should make that a 2. Make that correct first. Oops. Okay, now distribute. 3 times 2, that's 6, with 2 zeros, so 600. 30 times 2 is 60, minus 20, plus 2. 600 minus 60, that's 540, minus 20 plus 2. 540 minus 20 is 520, plus 2, 522. So no matter which way you went at it, you should end up with the 522 at the end. Okay, so that's just using distribution to do multiplication by hand. Okay, I think it's kind of pretty neat. And it kind of gets our brain thinking about numbers just a little bit different, which could help us out in our future lessons. Okay, hopefully that helps.